One fine day, a housemaid needed some money to enroll her daughter in some tuition classes. So she reached a couple for some money. So that couple, instead of giving her money, they started teaching her. So the couple names are Indira Vittal ma'am, 76 years old, Badrinath Vittal sir, 82 years old, residents of Bangalore, and on top of that, Badrinath Vittal sir is an IIT alumni. Do you need any more introduction beyond this? Badrinath Vittal sir takes major subjects like science and maths. Indira Vittal ma'am takes subjects like English, Hindi, and other languages. It all started by teaching just one girl, and now the number has grew to 100. Three takeaways from this interview. Number one, I asked them what's the secret behind his energy. I understand age is just a number, but he is 82 and Indira Vittal ma'am is 76. Number two, I asked him about the online tuitions. It all started with offline, and just because of this pandemic, it turned to online. I asked them about the technical challenges they faced. I asked them about difference in opinion between these two. Since this organization has been run by these two, obviously there is difference in opinion. And also, don't miss out the songs they have sung in this interview. Welcome to yet another episode of Life Loosened Up, where I share meaningful conversation with the hope of making small changes in someone's life. I have given all the information about Badrinath Vittal sir in the description section of this video. So if you want to contact him, please feel free to contact if you want to give any donation. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video as much as you can. Presenting to you Indira Vittal ma'am and Badrinath Vittal sir. Enjoy.
Welcome to Life Loosened Up, both of you. I can relate with you both a lot just because, sir, you are Kannada, ma'am, you are Marathi, and I'm also from Belgaum. I have that mixture of Marathi and Kannada and Konkani too. So the languages, because of these languages, I can communicate well with you guys. Thank you so much for coming to our show, first of all.
Thanks for coming over all the way from US during pandemic.
Thank you so much, sir. So my first question, sir, to you, what's your secret behind the energy? Right? I will tell you this. Whenever I think of something to start, I'll be like, my age has gone. I should not start this at this moment. So what do you think? What's your secret of your energy? I'm pretty sure it's not boost. There should be something else. Can you just speak about it?
Only three things: good diet, so nutritionally maintaining myself,
Mhm.
and physical activity.
Okay.
Right? My profession was such. Even while working on the shop floor, that means be a civil engineer. So the shop floor is batti ka upar. So I used to have a lot of exercises on the job, walking, running, jumping. So then I used to play vigorous tennis. Then when I developed tennis elbow, I switched over to yoga, and then I'm always mad at physical activity, which has also been um, adopted by my son and his sweet wife.
Nice.
All of them are. In fact, my wife is these days walks faster than me, and my walking speed has slightly come down after my cancer operation 12 years back.
Oh.
So I'm a cancer crusader. 60% of my intestines was cut and removed.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
And that's also physical activity is the second thing. Diet, physical activity. Third thing is I don't take stress all to myself. No stresses. Whatever comes, take it easy. But still, I try to be active and try to achieve whatever goals I set forth. That's it.
That's
and,
it, sir.
And a good wife feeding me nicely.
Feeding you nicely. Talking about feeding, ma'am, so you take care about his diet? Like you have to cook everything?
Yeah, every day we cook. I cook. Every day I only cook. I have help who cuts the vegetables and all that. But cooking, I only. I don't
Does
like
he help you?
other people.
Does he help
no,
you in cutting
not
vegetables?
in cooking.
No.
Sometimes.
But I learned vegetable cutting,
yes.
which I used to do.
Look at that.
I used to do all the vegetables I used to cut. Even in New Jersey, every year we used to visit my daughter and family. So every year I used to visit. That's where I learned, you know, vegetable cutting.
I'll tell you about that. See, I used to have somebody to cut my vegetables because I have some problem with my fingers. I get pain and all that. So I don't like to cut vegetables. So when we went to New Jersey first time, I thought, who will cut my vegetables? So he said, I
Exactly.
will try. So he started doing it very, very slow. He used to
Very
cut.
slow.
Yeah, very slow. But then he became expert. He started cutting fast and fine, like dhania patta and all that. He used to cut so fine. So he started doing that. But now he has stopped that also. Now I have told him not to cut. I have a helper who cuts the
हमको
vegetables.
टाइम नहीं यार आजकल.
She cuts the vegetables and keep it. So I cook breakfast. Like sometimes I give him toast and egg. Sometimes I give him dosa. Sometimes give him upama or idli or something like that. Changes. And usually lunch, I told you what we have. One sabji and one sambar or something, and pulkas and rice and dahi and all that. That is there. And some sweet always with lunch and dinner. And for dinner, usually at 5 o'clock, he feels little hungry, so he will have a banana or a slice of bread or something like that. But he is very adjustive. Whatever is there, he will eat. There is no problem with it. Yeah.
Will not
And
complain at
then
all.
for dinner, yeah, and dinner after retirement, after coming to Bangalore, we stopped eating rice and chapati the night. We have something like a little bit of upma or dosas, like two dosas I'll make for him, for me. So we started doing that after retirement, after coming to Bangalore.
Right.
So usually I make some eat sweets at home, like besan laddu or til laddu or rava laddu, something like that. Because he also likes sweets, I also like sweets. So both of us we must have. So that we will have after our lunch or dinner.
Yeah, I remember that
And
conversation because the time I had called sir, he said, "Am I having upma and I am having two eggs. This is what my routine and diet is."
Yeah.
one of the things that that kept me active is whenever I plunge into something, like say for example Rotary Life. I was, I slogged for Rotary to help out poor people. We used to visit villages and spend our own petrol, go to various districts in Karnataka, Andhra, and Maharashtra, right up to Punjab. I used to visit various towns. Every Sunday, I used to give lectures,
Oh.
spending my own petrol on Rotary Life, in Rotary Life.
Mhm.
And then both of us did a lot of work. She was an inner wheel member. I was a Rotary president. She was a inner wheel president. And I rose up to the level of district governance representative.
Mhm.
So that kept me very active.
Mhm.
So they like this. Whatever I take on, then so you have to be active, and that's how you
Mhm.
remain
Right.
active. Continue to be active.
Mhm.
Good health.
Nice. So this question is to you, ma'am. Sir said that he's not stressed in his life. Is it true? Like you see him from superficially from outside, and you are with him every time. So can you just tell me like whether it is really true that he's not stressed at all? Because I'll just tell you about me. I'm stressed. Okay, I'll just tell you and publicly announce that I'm stressed as in I have to talk with people. I have to prepare for the questions. I have to talk coordinate with people. And of course my sister and my wife is there with me. But again, yes, sometimes I'm stressed. And that's the reason I do meditation and all that thing. So can you just speak to it about it? Like he is definitely not stressed, or can you just talk about it a little bit?
Or he's a liar.
No, he's not, he's not stressed out. I am little stressed. I get stressed out little bit, not much, little bit, but not much. He is not, and he doesn't bother. I'll tell you one example. He was very close with his elder brother, 7 years difference, but very close. And he used to adore him. But what happens once when he had gone on tour, and I
We.
got the no, I got the news that they were in US at that time.
I
His
see.
brother and sister-in-law, two kids, they were in US, and with the plane crash, he passed away.
Oh.
Got the news when
Mm.
he came back in the evening after the tour. He brought one sweet packet because the next day was his brother's wedding anniversary.
Oh. Okay.
So just he came. I asked him whether you are hungry. He said, "No, I don't really feel like eating." Then I broke the news. I told him,
Mm.
"Your brother." passed
Mm.
away.
Mm.
So he just sat on the bed for a few minutes, threw that street packet in the corner, and went to
Went and
bathroom
had a
to
bath
have a bath. That's all.
and came out
He
and
never cried, nothing. When his father passed away, when his mother passed away, never cried.
Oh,
So he's quite strong
he's quite strong. Okay.
at that. Yeah.
pleasure and pain are alike, as Lord Krishna says.
Even when he had his
And
cancer operation, he was not stressed out.
Wow,
he was
fantastic, sir.
I was because
Okay.
it was quite dangerous. Doctor told me we don't know because he had developed some infection. So doctor said we cannot be sure whether he'll be back or not. So
Mm.
I was really stressed out. But thank God he came out
So
of the.
he's the strongest person in your family. Pillar,
Yes,
strongest pillar in your family.
he is
That's so
strong.
nice.
Yeah.
Sir, my question to you is now, could you explain me the process, like how the online tuition works?
how it works.
Yeah.
That's where I have to thank my earlier obsession, garbage.
Mm-hmm.
I used to work for 6 to 8 hours. So I had to become tech savvy. I used to work for 6 to 8 hours a day on the
Mm-hmm.
computer,
Mm-hmm.
sending out emails, at least 200, 300 emails, first of all, searching emails from various, you know, online and then send out messages. So that gave me some tech savvy help.
Mm-hmm.
And soon when the corona stepped in, or we used to teach 8 students at that time,
Mm.
both of us. From two, it became 8.
Mm.
And soon, one article in Prajavani helped us to get hundreds of students.
Oh.
Now we have about little more than 200 students.
Mm.
And from V2 faculty, it has now gone up to about 24 faculty members, all highly educated, all devotedly working
Mm.
freely. And some of them you will meet a little later in
Right.
your second.
Yep.
And so I don't think this is difficult at all for anybody to do online work.
Mm.
Basically, we also find that children these days here are quite adaptive
Mm.
to online tuitions. But yes, it's a little difficult without a blackboard and things like that. I don't do any blackboard, but to explain maths formula and all that.
Mm.
Little slowly. You have to go a little slowly,
Mm.
and you can convey, and children understand. And we
Mm.
have some excellent results.
Mm-hmm.
And very, very proud to have all those volunteers helping us.
Nice.
And children are good. So anybody can do this online work
Mm.
to help
So,
us. Yeah, and we are now what is driving us is the main thing that is driving us day and night is the desire to help as many poor kids as possible,
wow.
all from
Yeah.
poor background. You see, Raitar Maklo, the
Mm.
farmers' children, and daily wages workers,
Mm. Right.
their children,
Right.
who are finding it difficult even to have 2 square meals a day. Now
Mm.
we are trying to help them out.
Right. Right.
And we are also arranging not only tutoring, but also trying to arrange very poor kids. We are
Got it.
trying
Got
to get phones
it.
and
Mm.
get them.
Mm.
Through donors we get, nothing comes in our hand, no money, no phone, nothing. I established the link between a deserving kid and the donor. Directly
Right.
it goes.
Mm. So you both have to do some kind of preparation before taking any class. Like, for example, you have a class in next 1 hour. So do you have to prepare before you are teaching something, or how is it like?
You tell now.
Yeah.
Your push. Then I'll tell.
See, earlier I used to have one long back. One of my maid, her kids were going to Kannada school, government school, and my maid, and then no, the earlier maid. So I have learned Kannada few this alphabets when I was small in Bombay. My mother called somebody so that because our mother tongue is Kannada and we
Right.
didn't know how to write and read Kannada.
Right.
So
Right.
she
Right.
arranged one lady, one girl to teach us. I just learned the alphabet. When I got these two kids, I saw they can't go, they can't afford to go to the tuition and all that. I said,
Hmm.
okay, bring them here. I will try.
Hmm.
So I started ಕೂಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ತೀವಿಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಳು ಓದೋದು ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕೂಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದೋದು
Right. Right.
ಆ ತರ I was reading and teaching those kids. And
Okay.
slowly I learned little faster
Okay.
reading.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
started teaching them. And when that maid went away, and then one of my helper came.
Hmm.
So her kids, both of them, they were going for the tuition.
Right.
And she was paying 500 for each child, and they were not learning anything there. Then when I came to know, I said, you stop that, send them here. So one girl, she came to me when she was in class 1, and the other one, she came to me when she was in class 7th. So we
Okay.
started teaching both of them.
I see.
So she used to come and help me in the kitchen. I told you, cutting vegetables and all
Right.
that,
Right.
like
Right. Right.
small,
Right.
small
Right.
things to help me. So then we were teaching like that. I was taking this small girl and he was teaching the elder girl. And we were doing that. And then suddenly this corona came. Now this small girl is in class 6
Okay.
and the elder one is class 12.
And the
Hmm.
the elder one, when you introduce the children, the elder one you will meet there.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
And to teach economics, business studies, being a science graduate, I have to study. She's sitting right in front of me, and
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I had to study.
Uh-huh.
I keep studying and try to give some inputs.
Is she around? She wants to come into the camera. Is she
She
interested?
can.
Yashaswini, and she is
Yashaswini.
doing very well. Come,
Mask
you
करके
tell, you
देख
tell,
करना.
you tell.
Hello.
Hey, hi, Yashaswini. How's it going?
Yeah.
How's the feeling?
Huh?
How is the feeling? You're liking it?
Yeah.
So what are you doing now? You're cooking something?
No, no. Studying.
Studying? What are you studying? Which subject are you studying?
12th
What is that?
standard.
12th standard. And which
12th.
subject are you studying now?
CEBA. Computer Science, Economics, Business and Economics.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That commerce background. Nice, nice. That's so nice meeting you. Yeah, good. Nice meeting you. Okay. And do watch this video once it is live.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Along with her, you will meet the other children.
They are very nice kids, both of them.
Right. Okay.
She and her younger sister, both are quite smart, and younger one is very, very smart.
Also,
Oh.
Both of them, and they help us in this thing, in fixing the Zoom and all that. This elder one came because of that.
Right.
only.
Right.
So
Right.
she helped me. So then when this corona came, we were doing it from the phone,
Uh-huh.
both of them. And then suddenly he got idea that why
Mhm.
can't we get some more children? So
Mhm.
we got some more children, told these two, get your friends, we will teach them also. Like that, it increased. And then as he told you, when it came into Prajavani, all the farmers' children, then laborers' children, everybody started contacting. But now I take class 5, class 6, and class 10th Hindi I take. Class 10th Hindi I take.
Okay.
There I don't have that much problem. Little bit of grammar I go through it because
Okay.
I have forgotten my grammar. When I was in school, I had studied that.
Right. Right.
So I just go through the grammar and
Mhm.
I'm teaching them 10th Hindi. Then 6th I teach Hindi and social
Acha. Okay.
for them. So like Karnataka history, which I didn't know. I never knew Karnataka history because born and brought up in Bombay. I knew all about Maharashtra history and British history and Mughal history and all. But Karnataka history we have never learned. So
Exactly.
that I have learned now. Now I'm good in Karnataka history. So I'm teaching them social and Hindi. The 5th standard children, I teach them Hindi and math. I find it little difficult because of this. Because if they are in front of me, I can see, I can correct them what they have done wrong. And
Right. Right.
here it is little difficult. But they are managing. What I do, I give them some sums. I explain everything, give them some sums. I tell them You do that and send it to me on WhatsApp. So they send it, and then I correct it and send it back to them. So these are the
Oh.
correction you have to do. So these children are quite smart with their phone and all that. Even fifth standard children, they're quite smart.
Hmm.
So sometimes now Hindi book I don't have. So I one of the child I'll tell, why don't you take a photo and send it to me on WhatsApp? So this lesson. So they will send. So
Hmm.
I'll go through it so that I can teach them. But mostly we have the books. One of the person who we know him. So he's a CEO of this Ramaya Institute. So
University.
in university. So he got lots of books. So we have most of the books. Only the fifth standard we have little problem with the Hindi books.
Hindi books,
I
I think.
think I take six standard students maths, 10th standard student maths, both in English and Kannada medium. Kannada medium is still quite difficult. Either I have to go through the words and all that.
Hmm.
And then I also earlier I used to teach from 6th to 10th standard
Okay.
and 12th of course, 11th and 12th. And now that we have more faculty members to help us, all volunteers.
How many faculty
Very
members do
good.
you have totally?
Pardon?
Total
How many
Faculty,
faculty?
we have around 24. We have increased the number of courses. We have introduced spoken English courses for 4 groups. And now I'm thinking of introducing, with the help of a scientist, retired scientist, a new course called Think Science, to expose the children to scientific discoveries and the demonstrating certain things. Why solar? What's the need for solar? How it can help us? Things like that.
Hmm.
Alternative energy sources. So these things we are now planning. Very shortly we'll start the course also. But
Okay.
the biggest thing is spoken English class, and you will be interviewing one of the faculty members who is handling the spoken English for 4 groups. Children up to 12th standard. Second group, the teachers and other workers, working people whose English is very bad, some of the teachers. And third group is for down to earth people like maids,
They want
drivers,
to learn. Just
they all
hobby.
want to improve
They
English.
just
Wow.
want to learn it.
There we have
Wow.
2. One for men, he group, she group.
Group.
Oh.
And that spoken English has become a hit, I think.
Oh, is it? That's so nice.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
And too many approaches,
Yeah.
includers.
Actually, when we started this, when after Prajavani, when lots of children started coming, then I was little scared. How can we handle this? Only 2 of us, with so many children coming, how to do it? And then 2 person contacted us first.
Hmm.
So they said,
You'll meet both of them in the next.
yeah, we saw your article in Prajavani. We want to do something. We want to teach. And then one by one, so many volunteers came. तो
That's so
बोलते हैं ना भगवान है.
भगवान तो है definitely.
भगवान है. हाँ.
दिखता नहीं लेकिन है किधर ना किधर.
हाँ, दिखता नहीं बिल्कुल है. तो
Right, right.
उसकी दया से, भगवान की दया से इतने सारे volunteers, all of them are so good, well educated and very dedicated, and they are really doing very good job. और एक लेडी है जो कि हम लोगों को टाइम टेबल बनाने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था.
बराबर.
For him,
Right,
he
right.
was doing that time table
Right.
with so many children, so many different
That was
classes,
a very
Kannada
tough
medium,
job.
English medium, both the medium, and it was very difficult. Then one lady, you will meet her also.
Sure.
Yeah,
Muthu Lakshmi.
Muthu Lakshmi. She said, I will do the timetable. And she started, and you know what, we used to trouble her, like suddenly some other person will come, I want to teach, then immediately Muthu Lakshmi, there is one more volunteer, why don't you?
Timing slot.
Yeah, so like that, but she never said, I don't want to do it, how many
Wow.
people are coming here, always ready. Today I was, Sunday, I called her in the morning, I said, Muthu Lakshmi, I think that 5th standard, there is some problem with the social and this thing, what is that, Kannada.
Kannada.
So she said, today is my daughter's birthday, I'm spending some time with her, she's in US, but then afterwards I will do something, I will sit with the timetable.
She did.
She did. She called me at 11 o'clock, Indira, I'm doing this, and I put these children here in this.
Oh,
She's-
so wait, I think I'm confused here. So Muthu Lakshmi is in US.
No, no,
No,
here,
she's
here.
here. Her daughter is in US.
Okay,
So
okay,
they had a chat because of birthday.
okay,
They
okay,
were
okay,
having chat and all that. But
okay.
then afterwards, she sat with the timetable and she accommodated these children to some class.
Yeah, that
Oh.
question of yours, I can connect because after Better If India, Better India,
Better
they
India, yes,
interviewed us
yes.
recently, and that in the last 2 days brought us 2, 3 faculty members from states,
Oh,
Yeah.
that's so
and one
gorgeous.
from
Wow.
Canada. One from Canada, Dr. Shah, Dr. Ekta Shah, who has just
Mhm,
finished a doctorate in pharmacology. She rang
mhm,
up, I want to
mhm.
teach. I want to take up some classes.
So
Right.
timing also we
And one
fixed.
Oracle engineer rang up from North Carolina and he said, I want to teach.
Mhm.
And this is helping me again to mop up some phones for
Right,
the sake of doing it.
right.
When your interview is published, I'm sure I can mop up some more phones.
Yeah, definitely, definitely, sir. I'll make sure that this interview goes everywhere. So this question is to you, ma'am. So do you have any difference because you both run this organization together? Do you have any difference in opinion between you two? Because I'll tell you this: we run this show, Life Loosened Up, and I run it. I run this with my wife. So obviously there is a lot of difference in opinions in everything in decision making. But we have
एक
made a
घर में
pact.
रहेंगे तो एक घर में रहेंगे तो आवाज तो
भाई
निकलेगी ना.
आवाज तो आएगा ही ना, तो लेकिन हम लोगों ने एक प्रॉमिस किया है कि नो मैटर व्हाट, एंड ऑफ द डे सोते वक्त विल बी स्लीपिंग पीसफुली, विल बी रिजॉल्विंग दैट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स एंड विल बी स्लीपिंग. तो ऐसा
हम
कभी
लोग
हुआ है?
ने ऐसे प्रॉमिस किया था शादी के होते ही कि we
ओके
won't hide anything from each other.
ओके ओके ओके
So we have a deal.
ओके.
So in Kannada, if he's saying something and I feel that it's not correct, he's hiding something, even immediately I will ask, on your honor, deal maride. So he will tell whatever is there. So that is our children will say, Amma, Amma, use your bada, shastra. So that is there. Yeah, there is some differences. Like
Okay.
he's very enthusiastic.
Uh-huh.
Even if from the out of the state, from Karnataka, if children are coming, so he will say, okay, okay, I will take there. The syllabus is different. Like
Okay.
Tamil Nadu or Delhi, their syllabus is different. We are following Karnataka state syllabus. And
Mm-hmm.
they following CBSE or ICSE. So I tell them, you don't take them. If you get somebody from Delhi, some volunteer from Delhi, you can take those children and put them there only.
Again,
Right.
But
God,
not here, not to us, because all these volunteers, they
Mm.
have really working hard and they have lots of work in their hand. So I
Mm.
told him, don't overload them. So that is the difference we have here.
All
but
right.
you
Okay.
know,
Okay.
I added 4 children day before yesterday, children from Delhi, and today I added 2 children from Tamil Nadu.
Wow.
And
Okay.
suddenly I got 2 extra faculty members from Delhi. They approached. So I
Awesome.
said, God will give.
God,
Yeah,
yeah.
definitely.
But another thing, so what happened once, he sent some email to somebody and then there was some problem. So I told him, whatever you are sending, just show it to me first, then you send.
Right.
Because I don't want any problem.
Mm.
So
Hmm.
whatever he's sending some mail or some messages to all these faculty
show
members
all.
or somebody. So he'll show me, then only he will send.
Otherwise, I won't get my food in the night, yaar.
That's so funny. Awesome. Because yeah, I can completely relate to this. Even if whenever I'm sending some emails to anyone, whenever I'm talking with anyone, I make sure that I talk with my wife. I get her
Correct.
inputs. कि तुझे क्या
Yes.
लगता है कि if we call them, it will be good or not. हम लोग दोनों हमें पूछते हैं. I never reply, not even a yes. If you ask me, Ketan, tomorrow will you take one more interview? Then I would say this thing to you. Sir, can you just give me around 15 minutes of time? I'll get back to you after this meeting. This is what I would say because I want their decision, their help also in taking any decision.
Correct.
Today's interview, have you taken her permission?
Yeah, definitely, sir. That's so funny. So, yes, sir.
But they
This
said
question.
one thing is there, whatever he's doing, when he was in Rotary or what even was doing yoga, he was involved in yoga and now he's here. But I always support him. I don't say, "Ki, don't do this."
Except
But if
Amway.
except Amway, yeah, because Amway, what he used to do, he was not bothered to have his food at time and all that.
Okay.
Then he developed some ulcer.
Actually, I did work for Amway. Amway representative I was, but then I was working for Network 21,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
where I used to go and make presentations, give lectures to people.
So
Mm.
time pe khana nahi, kuch nahi. So he
Kuch
developed
nahi, right.
ulcer.
Mm.
So that earlier I used to support him with this. I used to go with him also for the meetings and all that. But then I stopped. I said, no, I don't want to do this. So then he
Mm.
also stopped suddenly. He stopped, thank God.
Mm.
क्योंकि उसने इनका health का upset हो रहा था.
Oh, I see. Okay. Cool. Sir, 5 years down the line,
Hmm.
कैसा लगता है? What do you think? What's your aim like? What's your goal 5 years down the line?
I think this is the last project which will continue forever.
Okay.
Just now, 2-3 days back, some of our faculty members saw some news items and said, well, the colleges may open in January, colleges may open in February, things like that. I said, don't worry, our thing will continue forever. Because I tell you, even when full classes are going on before COVID,
Mm-hmm.
in India, school and college students, they all go for private tuition,
Mm-hmm.
paying heavy amounts.
Mm-hmm.
So instead of that, they will continue with us. We will work, we will give free.
Mm-hmm.
Why should they? And there is a better standard of education, better standard of inputs we are giving
Right.
because of better faculty,
Mm-hmm.
with higher education,
Mm-hmm.
isn't it? Don't you
Yeah,
agree?
exactly. Yeah, exactly, sir.
I was talking with one of the faculty members. I was telling her, see this, even after the corona, now this Bangalore government, they have started saying that from first they will open class 10 and 12th, and then afterwards from 15 they will start opening class 9 and all that, and then slowly they will open the school.
Mm-hmm.
So I was telling her, even if the school and colleges are opened,
Mm-hmm.
we should not stop this, because some of the kids, they cannot afford to go for the tuition, and the parents are not that educated to teach
Right.
them, to guide them. So we
Right.
can take them, giving extra tuition for them, like this online tuition, free tuition. We can
Mm-hmm.
start giving them. So we should not stop this. Even once the school colleges they're open, we should not stop this. We should continue this.
Mm-hmm.
And then online could be converted into
Online.
offline.
Offline also
when
we can
things
do
are
that. Yes.
completely okay.
Right.
When
Exactly.
it is okay, yeah, they can come and learn.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Awesome.
that is there. So we
So,
don't want to stop it here.
right. So my last question to you, sir, do you want to make any request to the public who are watching this video?
Yeah. One, please expose it to as many poor kids as possible so that we will have more to serve. And we don't mind, right now, though we have around 170 or 200 students, we don't mind going to 1,000 and beyond. One. Secondly, please look for donors who can give a mobile phone, a 4G set with 2 GB RAM, with at least 35 to 40 GB memory to help poor kids. And we are identifying poor kids left and right. Still, a lot of them are in the queue asking for phones, who are not attending classes, who are not able to go for online teaching in their respective colleges and schools, besides our teaching.
Mm-hmm.
That's the second one. Look for donors and spread it across.
So that lots of more students.
And thirdly, when we increase gradually from here to more, maybe more volunteers will come.
More volunteers.
And we will look for. And like this, then we may take it, add some degree courses, things like that. Now we have taken up BA and BCom also on hand.
Mm-hmm. Nice. So viewers, I have attached all the description about sir in this description. So please reach out to him if you want to help. And sir, my final question, sir.
And all the phone numbers can please be mentioned. We don't mind getting this at all, except 1 hour between 2 or 3 when we sleep.
We switch off all the
Yes.
We switch off, no problem.
So
We switch off.
I'll make sure that I mention this in the description section of the channel, so that people reach out to you only during the dedicated time.
Now, you would like to have our numbers now?
Not now. I'll take the numbers later.
I'll send you the message.
Definitely, sir. One more thing,
I'll
sir.
send-
Yeah, one more thing. Do you have any complaint against ma'am? Funny thing. This is the funny question, okay? Any
It's
one
not
complaint against?
ma'am, it's not ma'am, but I have complaint against some of the educational institutions. Most of the education.
Okay.
Now, when I approach them, students, lot of these principals and headmasters keep away from us, and they don't want to help. They don't want to direct the student because they will be deprived of their private tuitions.
Mm-hmm.
And where even private tuitions are not, people are not able to pay for private tuitions.
Mm-hmm.
And they're not able to attend the school
Mm-hmm.
online classes. And mostly online classes that are going on so far. There is only couple of institutions I found very cooperative. One of them is, you see, I must mention this. In Tumkur district near Bangalore, there is a place called Siddhaganga. Siddhaganga was being run, the college, the school,
Hostels.
by one Swamiji, Lingayat Swamiji, Dr. Shivkumar, who lived up to 111 years, passed away last year.
Oh.
He was giving free stay tuition for 10,000 students every day. School students. They have Siddhaganga College, Siddhaganga Institute. That's the only place where they're helping us. They're directing all the students, go join this free online class.
Even
And some of the poor kids they identify and giving it to me so we can give their course. And even in Dodballapura, there is a private school, Marsandra, in Vasava village. Couple of schools, there also the students are accessible to us. Right. Otherwise, a lot of other places, they don't want to cooperate. They don't want to send out students. They want to, in fact, drag them
Okay.
to attend to their online.
I have one complaint against him.
Yeah, tell me.
See, I am a better person there.
See, because I was born and brought up in Bombay, and my father was very, very systematic about times and all that. So we are also like that. Actually, exact time, what we have to do, we will do that, but not he. So like I get up at 5 o'clock, 5:45, I go for a walk. 1 hour, I finish my brisk walk, come back, finished all my breakfast, making breakfast and lunch, and at exact time I will have my breakfast. Exact time I'll have my bath, puja, then I will do my yoga and then sit at 11 o'clock for the class. 10:30 I'll be free. 10:30 I will sit there, I'll go through the book. 11 o'clock the class starts. But one day he will go for a walk at 8 o'clock. One day he will go for a walk at 9 o'clock. One day he will go for a walk at 11 o'clock. The breakfast, one day he will have at 8 o'clock. One day he will have 9. One day he will have 10. So that is what I'm telling you. Why don't you, he will tell other kids, why don't you make a timetable? What are you doing? When are you getting up? When are you doing this? Why don't you make it? Why don't you make timetable? That this time I'm getting up, this time I'm having breakfast and all that. Make a timetable. So that one complaint. Because he was from Mysore. Mysoreans, they don't have this time sense. My father also used to say that, always used to say that. The Bangalore Mysorean people, they don't have time sense at all. But Bombay people, they have time sense.
You know, in my professional career that time, I couldn't have been that. Fixed timing, you have to go and dinner and things are right at time. But now that I keep working, so it gets delayed. Happens out.
Ma'am, can you tell me one good thing about him now?
One good
Very
thing?
good thing. Yeah.
Very adjustive. Whatever is there, he'll eat. But yeah, sometimes he'll ask, I want this, I want that. But mostly, if I am not able to do it, even if something is in the fridge, he will eat. He is not, he never bothered about that. Never. That was very adjustive type.
Nice.
Yeah, he's a nice person.
He's a nice person. Sir, now you have to tell one good thing about ma'am.
बीच बीच में गुस्सा आ जाता है, But otherwise,
कंट्रोल
yes.
करते हैं. Sir, one good thing about ma'am. एक कोई तो अच्छा word.
Good woman, beautiful. And I fell for her when I saw her for the first time.
अरे wow. Awesome. So
And then
Vithal's
we had 8.5 months
Engagement.
engagement time
uh-huh,
after engagement because I had to finish my thesis for masters
uh-huh,
in IIT Bombay.
uh-huh.
So then she's good, yeah. She's good.
She's good. Indira ka, Badrinath kaka.
And I
Thank you
also
so
keep
much.
Wednesday free. Excuse me. I keep my
Hmm?
Wednesday free, because I love music and I'm still learning.
And she's a good
Oh,
singer.
Still
she's a good
learning.
singer. So do you want to
She's-
end this interview with any song if you want to sing for just 1 minute?
Well, yeah, I can do that. But one thing I
Okay.
want to tell you, I used to be a good singer in the school and colleges, but now at this age of 77, I don't have that voice which I used to
That's
have.
okay.
I used
Yeah.
to be in all the competition and all that school
Yeah.
and colleges, but now not that voice. But I will
Right.
give you my the singer whom I like very much. She's no more now, Reshma. I
Okay.
will just sing two lines for you.
Definitely.
बिछड़े भी तो हम बस कल परसों जीऊंगी मैं कैसे इस हाल में बरसों मौत ना आए तो ले आई जुदाई
Hmm.
हाय लंबी जुदाई 4 दिन दा प्यार हरबा बड़ी लंबी जुदाई होठों पे आई मेरी जान दुहाई हाय लंबी जुदाई 4 दिन दा प्यार हरबा बड़ी लंबी जुदाई
Fantastic. Sir, out of 10 कितना दोगे? Out of 10 अगर आपको बोला कितना points दोगे ये song के लिए?
9.9.
मेरे तरफ से तो 10 है, 11 है, ले लो. सर बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है. 10 नहीं बोला उन्होंने. He is very strict. Actually मेरे dad.
He used to compose songs.
Oh, is it? You used to compose
Yes.
song?
He used to compose
Kannada
songs,
Bhavgite.
Kannada Bhavgite.
Can you just can
And he was a very good singer.
Okay.
But now, because of his smoking habit and
Not
drinking habit, he
Got it.
lost that what he had. But he was a very good singer earlier.
Do you remember any song that you have composed that you want to sing right now? Oh, is it? Wow, awesome. I'm so.
I don't want to sing. That
एक
people
थोड़ा बहुत तो करो ना.
Anyway.
थोड़ा बहुत तो
and you will
देखो.
remember without interviewing our faculty members.
I'll interview definitely. You just give me a last song और बाद में बंद करते हैं song ये interview.
Apaswar ko you have to bear.
Besura,
What-
Apaswar.
हाँ चलेगा definitely. अपसुरा चलेगा, बेसुर चलेगा.
ನಿನ್ನ ಹರಿದವರೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಓವು ಕುಡಿಯುವ ಹರಿದುಂಬಿಯು ನಾನು ಗುರುದೇವನೇ ನೀನೆನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮಧುಮಾಸದ ಹೇಳು ನಿನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನ ಆಡಿದವರೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೂವು ಕುಡಿಯುವ ಹರಿದುಂಬಿಯು ನಾನು. This more there. This was lyrics by the Jnanpith Award winner K.V. Puttappa, who
Oh.
was the Vice Chancellor of Karnataka University. And well, I gave the tune.
Yeah,
he-
nice. Awesome. KV Puttappa, yeah, I know because I'm from also the same university. So awesome,
Yeah.
sir. Indira Akka, Badri Tata, thank you so much for coming to our show and talking with me.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you very much.
Ketan.